Hi there, this is Melody with Socksbox, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make sure that your tracking method shows up in your outreach. So let's get started. I'm going to assume that under Settings Tracking Methods you have already created the tracking method that you are wanting to add to your distribution. For this video I have created a new tracking method called Laundry. Once I've created my tracking method, the first thing I need to do is go to Manage On-Demand Outreaches, edit my outreach, and add laundry to that outreach. Once I've added it, I click Save. Now if you use templates, you would go to Manage, Outreach, select your template, choose the one that you're wanting to add your new tracking method to, select the tracking method, and resave your template. Now let's take a look at this by giving a visit. We're going to go to New Visit, select our outreach, and look for our guest. You will now notice your new tracking method is part of your distribution and you're ready to proceed as you usually would. There's one more scenario I would like to run through with you, and that is you have created your tracking method, you've added it to your on-demand or your template, but it is still not showing up in your outreach. This is because you have already added your outreach to the calendar. If you have already added your outreach to the calendar, it will not have the updates you've made. You will need to go to the calendar, click in the colored area of your outreach, click Edit Outreach, and update that outreach. Once you've made the changes, you can then proceed to New Visit, look for your guest, and your visit will now have the additional tracking method. I hope you have found this video helpful, and as always, reach out to us if you have additional questions. Thank you.